Yeah, man, from you hear the wonderful chirpings of the bird and you see the mountain view, you know, them three big houses up on the hilltop. The sun is only touching one side of the mountain. You don't know where I'm at. I'm in Jamaica. Yeah, and it's morning time and I feel like I'll go to the beach and take a swim this morning and see if I can get me a fish to roast, you know what I mean? So watch you know. I end up go on the beach, hold a swim, buy the fish, yeah. I'm going to get two small one with it. But right now, the big one alone, I'm going to deal with. Yeah, man, in the morning, I feel for fish. But by this time, it's about midday now. So watch out now. The goal is to clean up these fish, take the guts out, and season it up properly. I would like you guys to tune in. And there's also a nice little surprise at the end of the video. But this is Kenny Good Vibes TV. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel like now. Yeah, man. I record everything in my video.
Where's it?
The video, I make some record. You know what to do that?
No, wait on.
Yes.
Oh, so now go mash up one of these.
I roast my roast this year. I roast my roast this year.
You don't know then.
I roast one and roast all of them. Alright. Alright. That's all I'm doing fish. If I joke. Some muggy fish season. You okay? She okay? Ready now, here's this. Ready for your spot now.
Oh, alright, go on. Put them down here, they can fry them. Them do want to cook. That's yeah. The inside is the outside is the shiny.
Yeah.
What is this pepperoni?
Hmm?
This is not beef and pepperoni.
Looks so good. In Jamaica we say look so good. Real bush life. See all this now? Just get some nice fire coal. See that over there? Get some nice fire coal under there. Because the fish take its time and roast. What is this you cooking, sis?
Curry chicken. It's just
Wow.
some kita bubble up and chat and some
That. Curry chicken. I guess she have white rice over here. Nothing goes good. Curry chicken and white rice. Look at that. Oh my god. Right on top of the mountain at my house. That's not fun. See that?
I'll show you. tearing out me here. Alright, now I'm going to
Say hello to the chef.
Hey. So she like Irish. Good? Gravy?
Yeah. Make sure my family them get food. How much people want to pay?
The mayo?
Just me alone pay?
I don't know about that shit,
I have them money because them money can pay me all that. So then you're not cheap. What you say? You think that alone me I eat? Nah man. I got their state man. That's it?
Yeah.
That's it already.
What about my daughter? What's the pepper?
Come my daughter.
You don't like it?
Come.
Thanks. I'm gonna have to do some.
You bring back my fish, huh?
That's how we eat it. Oh yeah. I love them all. They're by the gel.
Some really want to live. No life. This morning, this fish was swimming in the sea. But by the afternoon, swimming in my belly. Look at the eye. Nice okra from my friend's farm. What more could you want? If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel now.
What's that done, Daddy?
Nice fresh fish from the sea this morning. As you can see, we were at the beach swimming.
Like you didn't even spend 24 hours out before it was cooked, before it was eaten.
Yep.
Not even 24 hours.
Yep. Thank you. I'm done. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel now. I'm out.
Why man say subscribe?
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm tree swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand